unboxing of my Boxycharm, and this is my top box. So yeah, let's start off with the top box. It is definitely a little bit different than you're normally used to seeing. It actually came in a actual box as well, which I thought was really strange. But without further ado, let's just jump into this. Okay, so obviously it comes with the regular things that like to fall out at me. So this here is adult gummies. This is from Nature's Bounty. I actually use Nature's Bounty growth gummies for hair and nails. I've been trying to get my hair to get thicker. It's been, not gonna lie, it hasn't been doing the best lately, which is why most of the time you see it up. It used to be a lot longer. I cut it short lately, or recently. Not like really short, but like shoulder length. And it's because I've been having a little bit of problems with it. Not because of the color or anything like that, just because of a lot of stuff that's going on. But TMI, sorry. So these are some adult gummies. These are just multivitamins. These are for maintain the good immune system and maintain bones. These are good until October 2012. So, I mean, if I start taking them now, sometimes I forget to take these kind of things though. So, but it says a complimentary sample on the thingy. So that might be an extra item that isn't even one of our regular items. So in here is this Clarins Paris, and this is a Body Fit, I think it's body cream for cellulite. No, it doesn't look like it's cream. It's got like a little, this is really weird. I don't know what the heck this is. There's no, oh, anti-cellulite cream. So it's an anti-cellulite cream. Well then, that is something that is something I may actually have to try. I'm not really a huge fan of like things like that because they claim to get rid of cellulite or like stretch marks, but I mean, body cream's body cream. So then up next is this sample. And this is the Urban Decay Shadow Primer. So it's a very small, sample. Very, very small sample. It's 2 milliliters of, oh, and it's in one of these things. So if you haven't seen what this actually looks like, the regular one, when you pull this off, there's actually a wand that's attached to here with the regular size ones. So, I mean, they're not cheap though originally. So, I mean, I do use it, so I don't hate that product. Really actually into. There's a grown up, what? Oh, ground up. Oh, there's a card in here. Coffee oil. Okay, let's see what the heck is with this little bubble wrap thing in here, and there's 2 items in here. One of which I think I can tell what it is, and it's the ground up essential coffee oil. What the heck is that? It's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging booster needed for any natural skincare and hair care regimen, which insists you use. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, acne breakouts, dark spots, and hair growth. It says how to use it. It says use 1 to 2 drops in your moisturizer, body lotion, shampoo, or conditioner. Didn't I just say I needed some help with my hair? Maybe I'll try this in my hair instead of my actual face stuff. Okay, there's one more item in here, and this is from, oh, I can smell that. That smells like coffee. I love coffee though. So this is from Estate, and it's called Just a Taste. This is a small pigment palette. Let's see. This is in Foxtrot. Now, in my mind, Foxtrot is reds. That's really cute. That's a little cute package. So Fox, in my mind, is, well, not the colors that it came in. Those are very, I mean, these 2 could totally be foxy, but I mean, that's not too bad. I'm not going to swatch it because chances are I'm probably not going to keep this palette. Chances are I would never use these 2 dark colors, so I'm just going to give that to a friend of mine or somebody I know that could use these kind of colors. But all in all, so far, honestly, I would definitely keep all of these items. So that's really good for Topbox at this point. Half the time I want to get rid of the stuff from Topbox. All right, now moving on to Boxycharm. So you're going to realize that this is a little bit behind. It's June. This is not June. This is, I think, May. So this is the Super Bloom, which obviously makes more sense for May. This is everything that's in it. Let's start with the first item. Here, this is a concealer. This is called Item. It's the Air Hug Concealer. This is in shade 300. I have actually opened this and tried it. So that's what the concealer looks like. I have tried it. It is a little dark for my skin tone at the moment. Usually I'm a bit more tanned around this time of year, so it probably would work really well. I do have another concealer that actually has pure white pigment, so I could mix it in to make it work, so I will try that. And this Air Hug concealer is $18. Actually, that's pretty decent for a concealer. I've definitely spent way more money on concealers. What the? This is so this is from Yesin. This is the next product or item in here. Skin on Skin. Oh, it's a beauty sponge. When I picked this up, I was like, did they forget to put something in here? No, it's a sponge. Okay, so this is a beauty sponge. We all know what sponges are for makeup. So this one you have to use wet. So it's a little red sponge. So that's cute. I mean, I like getting tools in here because honestly, you could always use a new beauty sponge. Up next is this Dominique Blur and Moisturize Serum Primer. I think this is Dominique Cosmetics. Yeah, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I like Dominique Cosmetics. I haven't really kept any of like the makeup from them because usually it's colors that I don't really use. But this is the Blur and Moisturizing Primer, and this is 300 mils. This is such a cute little container, and definitely going to keep this because I did get rid of a bunch of primers lately, so there's that. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what the Yesin, so the Yesin is, yes. Wow, if I could read, that would be fantastic. It's a Yensa. So this is an $18 sponge. And then the Dominique Cosmetics Blur Moisturizing Primer is $28. That's still pretty decent. So there's two more items left in here, and I'm just gonna go with this one here first. And this is from Cab, yeah. This is the Lemon and Prime Lip Oil Duo. Ugh, we all know how much I love getting lip products in these things. So this is, oh, these are, I have one from this brand, I think, and it's the moisturizing oil, I think. This is the, so one's lime and one's lemon. They're the lip oil duo. Now, it says now with a juicy lemon and lime scent, 2 new shades. Yeah, I have one of these that is, it's red in it. I don't know what color it is. I got it from a Boxycharm, and I actually kept it, and I really do like it. So that's exciting. Honestly, I'm definitely going to keep these, which is weird because honestly, I did not think I was going to keep any more lip products. I'm getting so tired of lip products, but so the duo of the, the duo of these is $40, and that's an American price. That's expensive for lip oils. I find that a little expensive for a lip oil, but I mean, I like them. Okay, and the last thing in here is this, and this is from Complex Couture. This is called Pressure Points Baked Highlighter Bronzer Quad. I don't know if this is for dark skin or light skin or what kind of skin. This is a $42 palette, and it says right on here that this is a new launch. So it does tell me here that it is a new launch at the bottom. So this is what the packaging looks like. Honestly, it looks pretty nifty. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I mean, so it has a mirror here. And then when I take this off, this is what it looks like. This is probably something I would actually keep. Let's look at these bronzers. Okay, the bronzers are a bit orangey, but honestly, this one's really pretty. This one's very nice. I like that. Let's look at the highlighters. Oh, geez. Ooh, look at that. Look at that highlighter. That, yeah. Honestly, I'm keeping this. This is really nice. This would be great for traveling or just to have. That is very nice. And so like I said, yeah, so this is a $42 item. So for everything, it's $146 American. So these are all American prices. None of these are what I'd be able to spend in Canada. I'd be spending probably definitely more in Canada. And honestly, I'm keeping everything. That is weird. See, I keep telling you guys that Boxycharm does this to me. Topbox does this to me too. 1 month I hate it, 1 month I love it. 1 month I hate it, 1 month I love it. And it's that 1 month that I love, like I love everything in it, that keeps me continuously getting these boxes. Like, I think last month I didn't really love anything. I'll have to double check that in the video, but honestly, like, this box was really good, and so was the other one. I mean, I'm not going to be keeping the eyeshadow palette, but that's totally okay. It's a little miniature one, so it's fine. But yeah, so that was everything in May's Topbox and Boxycharm. Hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!